In this video, we're going to see if it's possible to change your Roblox sensitivity on Xbox One. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. Usually, if you are playing on your PC or even your phone, when you open up the settings menu, you have the option to slide down and up for the sensitivity in order to make it quicker or smaller. On Xbox One, you might have noticed that if you open up the settings menu, you don't see the sensitivity prompt. Is there a way to fix this and change the sensitivity on your Xbox One controller? Sadly, besides special controllers, there is nothing you can do to change the sensitivity on your joysticks on your Xbox One controller when playing Roblox. It's a feature that's not available for console players, and the only way to properly change your sensitivity is to either play on your computer or your phone. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that it's impossible to control your sensitivity on Roblox on Xbox One. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.